The virtual physiological human is a framework focused on the investigation of the human body as a single complex system. It integrates the efforts of different biomedical disciplines, ranging from bioinformatics to medical imaging. One of the challenging issues of this interconnection is the interactive visualization of multiscale biomedical data, in which the user can navigate through the patient-specific data as a single system. To meet this need, the project MultiScale Spatiotemporal Visualization is developing the open-source MultiScale Visualization Toolkit and integrating it in several software frameworks. One of these biomedical imaging frameworks is GIMIAS. Various exemplary problems and datasets have been collected that allows demonstrating this interactive visualization. GIMIAS 1.6 integrates a set of new features for multiscale visualization of biomedical data. The virtual human is the main entry point where all patient-specific datasets are added. It is divided in 5 parts: the cardiovascular system, nervous system, respiratory system, skeletal system, and urinary system. Starting from the virtual human, we can visualize several markers showing the available datasets at different positions. Moving the mouse over a marker will pop up a tooltip with a brief description. Clicking on a marker will pop up the navigation window. This shows a complete description of the dataset. We can click on the Read More to read all the text. The click and zoom approach allows zooming into a specific dataset, clicking on the preview image. At the top, we can see the currently selected data with a small preview image and a list of all children data. In some cases, it is important to know the location of the data in the parent object, like for example in this case. A marker can be seen showing the position of the simulated cells. We can zoom onto the cell data and navigate back to the myocardium. When several objects are visualized together, we can easily show or hide them using the A near the data name. For example, we can hide the vessel geometry to visualize better the streamlines. Or we can show only the vessel geometry and hide the rest of the data. The position of the dataset in the virtual human can help us to identify the object we are visualizing, like in the case of the spinal discs. We can also select a 2D image and the view will change automatically. Afterwards, we can continue the navigation to another dataset. When images and meshes are visualized together, we can use a 3D view for the mesh and a 2D view for the image and the mesh. Multiple views can be configured for each dataset. Here we can see a geography image and the magnetic resonance image of the atrium. Clicking on the view image, the view will change automatically. This view shows a 3D set of points over time with the corresponding electrical signal. We can easily track the current time synchronized between the 3D data and the signal data. This dataset shows the heart beating over time. You can visualize them using sagittal, transversal or coronal view. Coming back to the 3D view, it's also possible to zoom into the heart tissue image. The mechanical simulation dataset uses an advanced 3D visualization engine developed by the Auckland Bioengineering Institute. The combination of multiple rendering engines in a single framework empowers the visualization capabilities. Standard 3D views can also be configured, just change the camera position to frontal or superior. Multiple views can be combined together with pre-configured rendering properties. In this case, the resonance image is visualized on the first view, while the rest of the images are visualized on the other two views. The views can be easily pre-configured, allowing the user visualizing the data with just one click. Follow-up for a specific patient treatment can be easily organized in datasets. In this example, the follow-up contains 3 datasets: the day of the treatment, several days after treatment, and several months after treatment. In this other example, the diffusion tensor imaging technique for a specific patient is acquired for the year 2004 and 2008. This interactive visualization can be used in a touch screen, just clicking on the image and manipulating the rendering view. The views are automatically visualized, clicking on the preview images. This approach can be used not only to share data, but also to easily share the views that shows the best visualization of this data and inspect it easily.